Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you a best app to invest on. You just have to connect your wallet to it. You can connect any of your digital wallet with it. Here you can see I am connecting my MetaMask wallet with it. Click on submit. Then click on connect to attach your wallet. You can see it's connected. You must have $0.55 in your account to connect the wallet. Here you can see the timing. Click on got it and then yes. Here I confirm that my wallet is connected to the FOMO-DAO website. After connecting the wallet, you can see the interface like this. You can see the liquidity and sell options here. Click on liquidity, total FOMO and USDT is showing here. You can add and subtract the quantity of USDT by clicking on plus and minus button. You can edit it according to your liquidity needs. Now let's click on the sell icon to sell your FOMO coins. You can also select the maximum. You can check the holding assets and liquidity record here. Click on redeem to get the IP token or USDT. Nodes and super nodes are also here. Now let's click on the share icon to share the invitation code, or you can also scan the QR code. Share it with your friends. Click on 4 lines. Here is the wiki section. About information of FOMO-DAO is present here. You can read it all to know about its vision. It's a completely decentralized community running on Binance chain. Here is the safety and security options available. Economical model of this token is present and you can check its issue price and all the detailed information. Here is the total amount of distribution, 100% of the tokens, established initial liquidity pool and all the things present here. You can also check its community voting. Here you can earn 1.4 times equivalent LP income with one click. You can check the transaction and transfer method. Here is the reward distribution method. Regeneration and LP owner information is available for you guys. So by scrolling this, you can check each and every information required for this website. Here you can see how to get started with Binance Exchange for beginners. Here is the complete guide you can check. Here is its all one-page information in digital form which I have described to you earlier. Here you can see vision, economic model and all the other things which I have told you previously. Here you can see the initial circulation, rules of the game. You can also win by playing the games here. Here you can see the FOMO-DAO community governance and you can click on the join us button to join it. In the product section, all the advantages etc. are present. So here is the about section, catalog, vision, rules of the games. On the second page you can see the advantages and features of all the DeFi apps. You can see here rules of the games. All the rules are present here. You can reject it out. On the fourth you can see LP owners, economic model of FOMO tokens and all the informations are also present here. Community voting. I hope in this video I have told you all about this platform. So if you guys enjoyed my video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.